Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Let's Go Pikachu on your Mac. We'll explore the primary method of using emulators, which allows you to enjoy your favorite Switch titles directly. It's important to ensure your Mac meets the necessary system requirements for smooth performance. We'll also discuss the crucial steps for legally obtaining game files and firmware to get started on your adventure. To begin, you'll need to download and install a Nintendo Switch emulator like Yuzu or Ujinx. These programs allow your Mac to run Switch games. Next, legally obtain the game's ROM file and the required firmware. Once installed, spend some time configuring the emulator settings to match your Mac's specifications for the best possible performance. Finally, connect a compatible controller for a truly immersive gaming experience. Achieving smooth gameplay involves a few key steps. First, fine-tune your emulator's graphics settings to find a good balance between visual fidelity and a consistent frame rate. Always ensure your Mac's operating system and any relevant drivers are fully updated. Closing unnecessary background applications will free up valuable system resources. For longer gaming sessions, consider using an external cooling pad to maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. Before diving in, always verify that your Mac's processor and graphics card meet the emulator's minimum requirements. Remember, the legal acquisition of game files and firmware is paramount for ethical and responsible play. Be aware that performance can vary significantly depending on your specific Mac model and its hardware specifications. Finally, engaging with online communities can provide invaluable troubleshooting assistance and optimization advice.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.